Hey, it's Jack here, and tonight I'm staying at the Aquarius Hotel and Resort here in Laughlin, Nevada. I'm going to go inside the resort, check things out, go up in the room, give you the room tour. Let's go inside, check out this resort. We come off the elevator, follow the sign. Our room tonight's room 7099. It's off here to our left. And here we are, 7099. We come into the room, and off to the left is the bathroom. And we see this giant mirror in front of us. There's towels. Here's the sink. Their flavored choice for the soap is H2O. They have a Conair hair dryer, and they have more H2O stuff down there, and bathtub and the shower. Opposite the bathroom is this walk-in closet. Well, it's a closet you'll walk into, has no door or anything. Got some extra pillows, some hangers. There's a luggage rack, an ironing board, more hangers, and an iron. And that's your walk-in closet. From the walk-in closet, come into the main room, have a king-size bed, some lamps. Here is a piece of artwork on the wall. Looks like some twisted wires. There's looks like a 36-inch LG TV. There is a refrigerator. Next to that over here we have a coffee maker. They do have some coffee. Here's another piece of artwork. This looks more like grass. Get this where the glare's not on there. Looks like some blades of grass there. And we have a telephone. We have a chair. And then our view. Right out here, we've got like this corner view type of thing going on. We can see the Colorado River that direction. In this direction, we can see the top of a parking structure. And off in the distance there is the Colorado Bell. And the other hotels here in Laughlin. Come outside to go back into the pool, so come out resort pool entrance right through these doors. Here, and got this nice green area. And the pool is straight back. This is the pool area. Nice family swim area. Looks like it goes from 3.5 feet to 4 to 3.5 to 3 again. Currently not open, but they do have a restaurant here. You were here when the restaurant was open. This is their menu at the pool here at the Aquarius Hotel and Resort. There are Cabana Rentals available. All you have to do is see River's Edge for more information. And in the pool area, we can see advertisements for the restaurants that are inside the resort. Got McDonald's, Panda Express, and Outback Steakhouse. Well, tonight's dinner is at River Rock Pizza and Pasta. Well, here on this wall, as you come in, they have a wide assortment of record album covers, which are really, really cool. I recognize a lot of these, having them in my collection at one time. Hey, if you recognize any of these record albums, let me know in the comments down below. Here's their menu, and when I figure out what I'm going to have, I'll show it to you. And it's the flip side of the menu. They have other items also. So this restaurant's rock and roll themed, so around the walls are various lyrics from songs. All I want to do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. We've got this one, sipping whiskey out of the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. And this one says it's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. And this one, it's better to burn out than to fade away. The thing nice about this restaurant is the view. It's right on the river. And you can watch the river, and the jet skiers go by when that occurs. So we're starting the night off with a house salad. Well, tonight we opted for that pepperoni pizza. I know it's original, but this sounded so good, and I hadn't had pepperoni in a while. So here we go. We'll see how this pizza tastes. The crust is thin and it's still kind of floppy a little bit, so it's on a hard, crackery crust. Let's see what it tastes like here. Well, the edge of the crust is cracker-like. The middle of the crust is doughy, like it's not cooked all the way through. So otherwise, the Italian spices they put on there have a great flavor. The pepperoni on the pizza has a great flavor. It's just the crust doesn't seem to be quite done in the middle. It's more doughy, whereas the outside is perfect cracker crust. Their gift shop, appropriately called gift shop, but they have everything you need here. They've got drinks, they've got snacks. You can get your drink on, get your snack on, and if you need some ice, you even got a 7-pound bag of ice for $4. Toys for the kids. This is kind of cool. They've got a Batman right there. If you're a Elvis fan, they've got some of that stuff, as well as Betty Boop right here. They've got these secret cans of Spam and Campbell's chicken noodle soup. They've got these keychains. They're called Flash and Flip. And there it is. It does exist. They have a flashing jack. How cool is that? They have these assorted tie stuffed figures here. They've got a Dumbo. Here's Hulk, Black Panther, and Groot. And they've got several other type of characters down below. There's Iron Man, Captain America. And on this wall they have their Loungefly collection. Loungefly / Disney collection. Down here is the fitness center, and here is their fitness center. A couple people working out. I've framed it to where you can't see those individuals, but they have quite a few pieces of equipment in there to work out with. It's only fitting that you come out of the workout room and you see these places advertising food. There's the Cove Bar and Lounge, Cafe Aquarius, the Duet Coffee and Wine. Of course, they're going to show you donuts here as you come out of the workout room. And this is where we had dinner at River Rock Pizza and Pasta. And again, out of the workout room, that's what you want to see. Well, breakfast this morning is at the Cafe Aquarius. So this is the breakfast menu here at Cafe Aquarius. When I figure out what I'm going to get, I'll show it to you. Alright, well, I went with the All-American breakfast. This is a $10 breakfast in Las Vegas. This would cost you about $25 for this breakfast. It's 2 eggs, hash browns. I had a choice of bacon or sausage. I went with the bacon, and it comes with toast. Well, the eggs look fresh. Let's see how they taste. These are real eggs, not powdered eggs like I've had at other hotels and paid a lot more money for. So 10 bucks, real eggs, real bacon, real potatoes on the hash browns. Cannot complain with that. What was it like staying here at the Aquarius Hotel in Laughlin, Nevada? Very comfortable. The room, let's start with that. Very quiet. It was close to the elevator. I didn't hear much sound outside the hallway, which was nice. Slept through the night. Didn't have the drunken people going up and down the hallway like I would in Las Vegas, so that was nice. But there again, I was here on a Sunday night into a Monday morning, and not on a weekend, so weekend might be different. The restaurants they have at the hotel are good. They have a McDonald's, an Outback Steakhouse, there's a Subway, they have their Aquarius Cafe, and there's also a lounge called Splash. And of course there's a River Rock Pizza and Pasta. It was a good restaurant, good service, great ambiance there with the music and the decor. But the pizza was not the best pizza I've ever had. It was rather doughy for a thin crust pizza. I've never had a thin crust pizza that was doughy like that. I think it came back to there was way too many toppings on there. It was all pepperoni. In some cases, the pepperoni was stacked 5 deep, and it wasn't even cooked through. So if they were to limit that topping down a little bit, it would have been a better pizza. Breakfast this morning at the Aquarius Cafe, really good, 10 bucks. That's the same breakfast I get in Vegas all the time. It's $25 in Vegas. So they're definitely doing something right here. $10 for breakfast is what it should be. The casino itself is smaller. You could walk from one end to the other. Not a big deal. You're probably a minute between wall to wall there. And plenty of machines, plenty of stuff to keep your interest. The question is, would I stay here at this hotel again? Definitely. Definitely would stay at this hotel again. Very comfortable room, a lot of amenities, the pool, river's right outside. One of the things I didn't show on camera because it was closed, but they do have jet ski rentals outside there, and there's also the celebration cruise that goes up and down the Colorado River. Well, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.